With over 2,700 genealogy webinars in our library, we hear one question more than any other. Where do I even start? Today, that changes. Introducing Learning Paths, guided, expert-curated routes through our entire webinar library. Think of it as a mini-course. Each path bundles 3 to 6 hand-picked webinars sequenced by our experts, so every session builds on the last. No more guessing what to watch next. And there's a path for whatever you're working on. Just filter by category. Click on Beginners. How about DNA testing? Let's look at methodology. Finding females. Find your topic, and the roadmap's already built. Explore the path, and click Enroll. It's free. Review the classes, and click Watch Now.
In 1844, a Vicksburg, Mississippi newspaper carried this obituary.
When you're all done, mark as complete, and go back to the learning path. Your progress tracker remembers exactly where you left off. Finish every session, and you earn a printable completion certificate. It's oddly satisfying. Prefer to pave your own way? Build Your Own Learning Path lets you pick any webinars from the catalog and arrange them. Your topic, your order, your pace. Your custom learning path is now ready for you. Bring your pencil, your popcorn, and get ready to learn. And here's the best part. Share the path's URL. Send a path to your genealogy society so everyone learns together. Send it to a family member and turn them into your research partner. Or build one around your favorite presenter for a deep dive into their best teaching. And all of it, building paths, tracking progress, earning certificates, is 100% free. Free webinars stay free for everyone. Subscribers get unlimited access to all of the videos across every path in the library. Your next research breakthrough is already in our library. Browse all 100+ learning paths or build your own today at FamilyTreeWebinars.com.